There is new hope tonight for patients battling one of the deadliest forms of brain cancer, glioblastoma.
Scientists in Jupiter at the Wertheim UF Scripps Institute are behind a groundbreaking discovery. They have developed a first-of-its-kind drug that is about to be tested in humans.
Oh, there's not a cure.
It's been nearly a decade of work for Dr. Courtney Miller and her team, research that's now reached a milestone. The FDA recently approved their experimental drug MT-125 for its first human trials.
Honestly, absolutely thrilled. We've been working towards this goal for quite a while, but really when we think about the patient population, that's what makes it the most exciting.
Miller is the Director of Academic Affairs at the Wertheim UF Scripps Institute in Jupiter and a co-founder of Myosin Therapeutics, a biotech company that's been working on new brain cancer treatments. Glioblastoma is the most aggressive form of brain cancer.
It started here.
Started here.
Yeah.
Then they take it out.
Yes.
And then it came back here. About 14,000 Americans are diagnosed each year.
Unfortunately, the median overall survival is only around a year. It depends on the exact subtype, but it's really, really devastating.
MT-125 is what's called a first-in-class drug, meaning it targets the cancer in a completely new way. The molecule is small enough to cross the brain's natural defenses, the blood-brain barrier, something most cancer drugs can't do.
That it is small and able to get into the brain quite easily, so it can get to the target where it needs to go. But once it reaches it, it's targeting two different proteins that we have inside of these tumor cells, and it's preventing both the tumor cells from dividing. It also prevents the invasion. So this is a really big problem with glioblastoma. The tumor cells can invade into healthy brain tissue. With MT-125, we can stop both the cell division and that invasion into healthy brain tissue.
Human trials could begin as early as this month at all three Mayo clinics in Florida, Minnesota, and Arizona, with patients who are newly diagnosed with glioblastoma. The first phase of the trial to address the safety and effectiveness of MT-125 will take about a year. Miller says their findings could stretch beyond glioblastoma.
Because of the way that it works, it actually has potential in a broad number of solid tumors. So that would be like glioblastoma, as well as blood-based cancers like leukemia. And so we have data in the laboratory suggesting, pancreatic cancer, triple-negative breast cancer. There are a number.
For now, it's about offering hope to patients where before there was none.
We have really rigorously tested it in the laboratory, and it shows a lot of promise. So we're optimistic.
And there is another benefit with this drug. It appears to make radiation therapy for glioblastoma work better, which is another big breakthrough.